Hello, Samantha Berry, your reference librarian here. Now that you know how to access the library homepage, we are going to proceed to the subject guide created for your course. The librarians of SUNY Adirondack all have liaison areas they are responsible for, corresponding to all the subject areas taught at the college. Librarians are responsible for creating subject guides for their areas. The guides contain links to the best databases for research within that subject, suggested books from our physical and ebook collection, and other resources that will help you complete research projects within that subject area. To access your subject guide, also referred to as research guides, for your course, locate the Research by Subject box on the library's homepage. Click your subject and scroll until you find the name of your course. You will now click into the English 105 Writing in and About the Social Sciences guide. On the landing page, you will find a definition of social sciences, some database searching tips, and a reminder that APA citation style is the preeminent citation style for working in the social sciences. Under the Books tab, you can learn how to search from our thousands of ebooks in our collection using this tutorial video created by our very own Joyce Miller, our reference and instruction librarian. You can also browse some selected ebooks pre-selected for you if you are still shopping around for a topic. Now we will move to the Articles and Databases tab. If you are feeling nervous about beginning your research, or would just like a refresher, you can head over to the New to College Research tab. If your professor has asked that you include scholarly articles, peer-reviewed sources, or academic articles in your research, but you aren't sure what that means, check out particularly the Scholarly Journals and Popular Magazines link and the Scholarly Sources box. The Scholarly Sources box offers a brief overview of the parts of a scholarly article to help you know when you see it. If you already have a topic, you want to head over to the For Quick Background box. Here you will find links to databases that offer in-depth information about a topic to give you a solid foundation of knowledge from which you can begin to refine your topic. You will not find analyses or articles of great specificity here. For example, you would come here to learn about political parties, the rise and fall of parties in a particular country, and the part that party played in historical events. Once you have a foundation of knowledge about your topic and have refined it, you can head over to the General Databases box and the Social Science Databases box. Continuing with our political party example, you would come to these databases to look for articles closely analyzing the philosophy of a party and their ability to fulfill the needs of their constituents, a close look at that party's relationship with minority populations, and other similarly specific resources. Now check out some short tutorials on the database that you would like to get started with. Happy hunting!